You will be amazed by this 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, stability control, leather steering wheel. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.